Children, in today's lecture we are going to see about birds, that is subject general knowledge GK. Okay, we are going to see about birds. In daily life we see many birds like crow, peacock and many other. Okay, let's see it with one by one. See, in this there are many birds in zoo. When we visit the zoo, we can see many birds. This is sparrow, pigeon, peacock and many more. Let's see one by one. Sparrow. This is called sparrow. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Eagle. Eagle. Flamingo. Flamingo. Parrot. Parrot. Owl. Owl. Peacock. Peacock. Sparrow, crow, pigeon, eagle, flamingo, parrot, owl, peacock. Which of these animals do you usually see around our home? Usually see means हम लोग रोज कौन से बर्ड डेली लाइफ में देख सकते हैं. तो हम लोग क्रो देख सकते हैं, पीकॉक देख सकते हैं, स्पैरो. ओके, there are some question answer. You have to first say some birds name. You have to say some birds name like crow, pigeon, sparrow, peacock, parrot and many more. You can say whichever you know. Next question. Which is our national bird? Which is our national bird? National bird कौन सा है? Peacock. National bird कौन सा है? Peacock. Which bird is known as the night bird? Which bird is known as the night bird? Night bird means हम लोग कौन सा bird night को ही देख सकते हैं, वो है owl. Owl. Which is the largest bird? Largest bird is ostrich. Which bird is known as the singing bird? That is cuckoo. Okay? You have to recognize the picture and say some question answer. Okay? Thank you.